Reached the end of our project, and it's been a long project for a number of reasons. So now let's look at what we actually got. Remember, we wanted to move the navigation instruments towards the navigator, and we wanted to push the electrical stuff away because frankly, you don't spend much time playing with this stuff. So this is my AC main breaker, my DC main breaker, the water pump, and the instruments. Every time I get on board the boat, all the white stuff gets turned on. The red toggle is for the bilge pump. The bilge pump is always left on. And everything else can stay where it is, which is really handy because I've got all of these push button resettable circuit breakers for those circuits that are always on. For example, you don't need a switch if you've got a switch on your VHF radio. And so the VHF has a 10 amp push button resettable breaker right there. The ones that do have toggles are things that you turn on and off as part of the normal operation of the boat. Things like the running light switches, or the propane solenoid, or the stereo. And so all of those are on the far side. They're all black, and they're normally left in the off position unless you need them. So boy, is that simple. And it's really simple for people who aren't familiar with the boat, because you tell them, oh yeah, turn on the white ones and the red one, leave the red one on, and you've got all your instructions for how to use this. Okay, so that's the outside. Let's take a look behind the scenes at the inside. Now my partner, who is a real craftsman, decided that we needed to have special fasteners. So he's got these stainless steel socket head cap screws. A little slow because I have to have my Allen wrench here. This hinges down. Everything works and everything is safe and there's no shock hazard. And you can see things like the NEMA 2000 backbone in the back, and everything is getting there. And it works, and it's safe, but it's not pretty. So, I can't encourage you enough to consider replacing your old dull panel that no longer meets the needs of your boat with something like this Blue Sea Systems 360 panel system. It is easy to design. It's a little bit challenging to install, but then again, it's a big project, and you'll feel great when you have something that looks that good in your instrument panel of your boat.